In mid-January, Keely Nielsen sent us a photo, and it showed that it had snowed at the cabin, but it also showed that they had finally got the lights on. We got up there a week later and were really excited to see what things looked like on the inside, and we were hoping that everything was done. But when we got there, we found that the job wasn't yet completed. There was carpeting, but it hadn't yet been installed in these bedrooms. And in the kitchen, they were putting down the vinyl flooring, but it wasn't done. But we could see that some things were finished. The lighting, for instance, the two chandeliers over the loft and the great room or the living room looked great. The other kind of lighting was recess lighting, and there was quite a lot of that up there too. And the third kind of lighting there was the wall sconces, which when we turned off all the other lights, it really gave a nice atmospheric effect. A few days later, the Granite Counter guys were supposed to be up there. So I went up and I found that they had completed the work. They had this beautiful granite countertop in, and Linda was really happy with what she saw there. The same granite countertop was in the other bathrooms, as well as in the laundry room. Around the time we were leaving, they were finally getting done with the flooring. So this is in the loft and on the main floor, in the living room and the kitchen, going downstairs, and in the family room downstairs. If you turn to the left there, the west bedroom had carpet. The east bedroom had carpet. Upstairs in the master bedroom, it had carpet. And in the upstairs bedroom, it also had carpet. The other kind of flooring was the vinyl stone, which was in the entry and in the one-half bath there, and in all the other bathrooms, as well as in the laundry room. This final picture is just to prove to you that there was some sunlight up there in the southern sky, and it looked very good. So that's our report from Boundary County, Idaho. They're getting very close to being done, and I'll have one last report on construction, and it'll be done.